Hello and welcome to the Sacred Gates Ascension podcast. My name is Illura, and my mind and my heart has been going out to a lot of the nurses and doctors and orderlies and the cleaners and anyone working in a hospital right now with this coronavirus going around, and all the hard work that the medical teams and medical people and staff and the risk that they put themselves in every day, especially when we see in a lot of countries, the people not really taking some of this stuff seriously and basically going out before it's time to really go out and party and have fun, which really puts all of the medical people more at risk. So I've just been connecting to that, and I wanted to do a video for nurses and people who are in the throes and the really boots on the ground with the coronavirus. So and no matter what you believe about the coronavirus, this also might be a good video for you to, if you're in lockdown and you're just feeling like you need some nourishment. So this exercise, normally we do nourishment at the Sacred Gates in many ways, but one of our main techniques is through building the ball. But I'm not going to use this technique this time. Some people aren't into it, and I'd still like for, if you're not into the building the ball, to still receive something from the Sacred Gates if you're interested. So this particular technique's really nice. It kind of reminds me of the Egyptian pose where they, the mummies used to go like this. The pharaohs used to be placed like this, and it's a very protective, nourishing hand position if you've ever done it. And we're going to do it like this. So you kind of come up over your collarbone here, and you want to make sure that your lower back isn't like concaved, like a banana, that lordosis. You want to just relax that down. At the same time, with this extra weight on your chest, you don't want to collapse here in your solar plexus area, your middle dantian. You don't want to pull, so you need to just be careful of that. So if you don't want to be collapsing in that area, one of the things you can do is focus on relaxing your quads, which is the Chinese name for where your legs meet your body. Now, quads is not just the name of the anatomical area, it actually expresses the deep energetic system of the quads. So you want to relax that area too. I tend to lean forward a little bit. I have a tendency to roll back in my quads, which puts tension on my back. So I like to roll forward in my quads slightly, rotating forward slightly, inclining. And that also engages, not only does it prevent you from rolling back and creating tension in your lower back, but it also helps to engage slightly more intensely your central column, which I'll do another video on as well. And that helps to develop it because it brings it more into your awareness by challenging it slightly. Okay, for all those in the medical industry working hard and putting their lives at risk, putting their families at risk too, or spending time on their own alone because they can't go home to their families at night, this practice is for you. So just relaxing your lower back, bring your chin down a little bit, and just place your hands here. Now relax everything. Relax your elbows down so they're not like sitting up like that. Let them just relax down. So you've got a downward direction of energy in your elbows, and your fingertips aren't holding on like this or like this. Really just place them softly. Relax the wrists. Relax the tissues and the muscles and the bones. Relax the top of the hands. Relax the top of the wrists. Relax the sides of the wrists. Relax the underside of your wrist. See how much you can relax the shoulders, the lower back, the jaw, the scapula, and the spine. We have a lot of tension in our hands because we've been grabbing things since the day we were born. Gripping, grabbing, grasping, clutching. So release all the tissues in your fingers. Don't worry too much if you have a little bit of a collapse in your chest. These things can take time to correct, and if it means that you're going to get more nourishment from this practice, I think it's okay to collapse a little bit in the chest if you haven't got quite the structure in your body yet worked out to avoid that. Feel the back of your neck, the back of your head, and now just saturate in the nourishment that you are starting to feel. The more you relax, the more that feeling of nourishment saturates into your tissues and your bones. Continue to relax all those areas, including the armpits. And receiving nourishment from your higher self. Totally let your face relax, let it go. The jaw, the tongue, the ears. Allow your temples to soften and open. And as best as you can, let all your eyes go. Let your eyes completely relax, your cheeks, your forehead. Continue relaxing your hands, the palms of your hands, the muscles in your thumbs, saturating the tissues, the bones, the muscles in nourishment. Relax your tailbone, softening and melting the sides of your ribs, and allowing your stomach to relax and release downwards. Keep releasing tension in the fingertips that tends to build up while you're relaxing other parts. And relaxing under your hands, the chest. All these tiny little adjustments are helping to bring in more and more nourishment at the vital level, the physical level, at the emotional and mental level, being nourished, and spiritually being nourished too. Just to add on an extra little piece of information that may be helpful. If not, just let it go. If you feel the soles of your feet at this time, doctors, nurses, cleaners, orderlies, feel the soles of your feet. And just relax the soles of your feet. And again, relax the quads, that area where your legs join your body. And relaxing the perineum, the tailbone down. And just feeling your legs also engage in this deep saturation into nourishment. Releasing the tension in the knuckles. And just having the sense there that the more you release tension, the more you engage that letting go essence that is within all your joints, all your bones, and all your tissues from light to deep. Saturating in deep, deep nourishment of the spirit, of the mind and the body. Open your skin, all the pores of your skin. Just doing this through your bare awareness, feeling your skin and relaxing it. All the way that nourishment travels deep and saturates your bones at the bone level, very dense karmic level of your being now. Allow your spine to relax. good. Very good. Relaxing the eyes deep into the body. Good job. Just bringing your body slightly a little bit more upright now. Wiggling the fingers on your chest. Just become aware of how that feeling of saturation has been so real for you, nourishing your body, nourishing your spirit, nourishing your thoughts, your mind, your emotional body, and all the elements in your body harmonizing through you now. Yeah? So anytime you're feeling the effects of your occupation, the effects of this world on you as a carer and as a healer in this world in your way, try this. You can do it the other way too. I personally like it this way. I know that you will know the way that works for you. So thanks for listening, guys. Please pass this on to any nurse, doctor, any orderly, any cleaner at a hospital right now, or in a clinic that is really just suffering from the deep drain on their energy for their service at this time. And of course, for anybody that needs more nourishment. Everybody needs more nourishment, don't they? So please pass this video on to them. Thanks for listening, guys. Bye-bye.